Google printed an intraday high, if not an all-time high, of $214.65 yesterday, the 29th of August. The stock, yes, is I think, yeah, this has to be an all-time high, yeah, because this is its all-time high region. So probably an all-time high 214.65. Probably it's on its all-time high. The algos are suggesting that by Tuesday it may still remain strong, but this expansion that has been in place, if you like, since early April, it's indicating that it's going to be contracted. But bear in mind that you may have seen the same extrapolation saying that a contraction is going to happen. You may have seen it a couple of days ago, but that's how it is. Sometimes the algos keep on, you know, extrapolating like the canary in the wolf, sorry, in the mine. Yeah. Sometimes it may never happen. It may continue to print high prices regardless. Of late, its 21-day moving average has been serving as a primary demand line. I think beginning from the 8th of July. You see that here, one case here, one case here. It has to be close below or above its that moving average. Within one standard deviation. So I think this probably still within one standard deviation. Let's see, it's 9.42. Yeah, maybe possibly, and then this is clearly yes within one standard deviation. Yeah, in terms of projections, what do we have? Do we have anything further up? Yeah, $213, 222.62, 228.56. Those are easily all-time highs, new highs. Yeah, those are easily new high. No, 213 is not a new high. 21465 is greater than it, but easily triple two point 62 and double two to 8.56. Those are those will be new highs. You know, in terms of let's see now, price pressure momentum, everything is in trend mode. Is in a strong trend mode on this daily charts. Let's see. There might be a chance that even higher projections may have been in place at some point. Okay, we'll check all the charts. Yes, everything here is in trend mode. We can go down further to the weekly chart. Let's see. Okay, yes, we have 223.22, new highs. Let's see. Earlier on we had 246.05. This was as of November of last year, but it didn't make it then. 246.05. Like I mentioned it already. Yeah, there's ample room to the upside. Ample room to the upside. They're not. I mean, imagine the price. Then the stock is has the potential to get there. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what the readouts on Google is saying.
Alphabet, Google, is trending as investors balance optimism around its AI fueled growth story with caution over looming regulatory risks, particularly the Department of Justice antitrust case, where a ruling could be handed down soon. Momentum at record highs. Shares of Alphabet are trading at all time highs, also marking fresh 52-week peaks, and are up 11.8% year to date. Despite its massive run, Alphabet is still widely regarded as the cheapest of the Magnificent Seven stocks on traditional valuation metrics, making it attractive to long term investors. AI powered devices and consumer reach. Google's Pixel 10 lineup and Pixel Watch 4 have reinforced the company's hardware ambitions, but the true story remains the deep integration of AI into its ecosystem. Circle to Search is now active on 300 million devices, offering seamless visual, contextual queries directly from images or screens. AI Overviews, Google's boldest generative AI initiative inside search, now serve over 2 billion monthly users across 200 countries and 40 languages, boosting global query volume by more than 10%. This scale demonstrates how Google is embedding AI not as an add on, but as a core layer of everyday consumer behavior. Google Cloud, growth and scale. Google Cloud continues to be a powerful growth driver, reaching an annual revenue run rate of $50 billion. dollars. The division is gaining momentum from AI infrastructure demand, training and inference for large models, and generative AI tools for enterprises, and strategic partnerships with industry leaders like NVIDIA, accelerating GPU powered AI workloads, and PayPal, leveraging Google's AI solutions for payments and fraud detection. This positions Google Cloud as not only the company's second largest growth engine after search, but also a key competitor to Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. Regulatory overhang. Despite bullish tailwinds, investor caution remains high. Alphabet is awaiting a DOJ ruling on its monopoly case regarding general search and text advertising. Potential remedies could be severe, ranging from restrictions on default search engine agreements, like those with Apple, to forced structural divestitures. Such rulings could directly threaten Alphabet's most profitable business, search advertising, which still accounts for the bulk of its earnings. Competitive pressures. The cloud and AI markets remain intensely competitive. Microsoft plus OpenAI integration in Office and Bing, Amazon Web Services dominance in cloud infrastructure, and emerging players like Anthropic, Meta, and smaller AI startups. These dynamics mean Alphabet must continue heavy investment in AI infrastructure, GPUs and TPUs, and partnerships to defend and expand its market share. Investor sentiment, bull versus bear case. The bullish case is that Alphabet's AI integration into search, growth of Google Cloud, and relatively lower valuation compared to peers position it as one of the most compelling plays in big tech. The bear case is regulatory headwinds, potential DOJ penalties, and fierce competition could slow momentum, even as the company sets record highs. Only time will tell what the future holds for Alphabet, but for now, investors see the company's stock as money in the bank.
Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.